I'm Bill Peterson, Minnesota probate attorney. When a loved one passes away, it is often a very challenging time for the family. During this time, details can be easily overlooked and assets of the estate can be lost. Let me tell you about a Minnesota family living in Plymouth. A couple we will call Bob and Karen own a home near Medicine Lake. Karen's 75-year-old mother, Darla, lives in an apartment just a few miles away. Darla has lived in the apartment for the past 16 years and has enjoyed the freedom of having her own place. On February 5th, Darla passed away unexpectedly from a stroke. Shortly after the funeral, the family came, packed up her belongings, cleaned the apartment, and notified the property manager to conduct a walkthrough of the unit. Karen met with her sister, and it was decided that Karen should be the executor on the estate. Shortly after the 1st of March, Karen noticed that a $1,200 monthly rental charge had been taken out of Darla's old checking account by the property management company. Karen called the office and was told by the landlord that the lease provided that if a tenant was not going to complete their term, they would need to give a 60-day notice, even if the cause of that was the death of the tenant. Karen was told that a $1,200 rental charge would again be due on April 1st. Now, because Darla has passed away, is the estate obligated to pay the monthly rental charges? Since the landlord clearly knew that Darla the tenant had passed away, the charge on the account should not have been made. Unfortunately, the account should have been flagged at the bank by Karen so that the landlord could not do what they did. Now, the claim for rent is at most a creditor claim against the estate. Expenses of the funeral, cost of probate administration, and several other things all get paid before the $1,200 can be considered. If the estate assets are limited, the landlord claim may not even be paid at all. Thankfully, all is not lost in Karen's situation. She should talk to an experienced probate attorney at once to address this issue. The attorney can demand that the $1,200 be returned to the estate immediately. And if the landlord does not refund the $1,200, the landlord can be liable for a double penalty under the probate code or $2,400. Unfortunately, some landlords take advantage of a bereaved family at a time like this, when, frankly, the landlord should know better. I'm Bill Peterson, Minnesota probate attorney. If your family is dealing with a probate issue, I can help. Call me toll-free at 1-888-910-5297 for a free, no-obligation consultation. Thank you, and have a great day.